This is John with WTI, and I'm needed to upgrade my headset for work. So I live in a lousy environment, and whenever I'm trying to work from home as I normally do, teaching or having Zoom calls, this Jabra Evolve 75 are just great for this. So these guys have one thing: noise cancellation. I can be next to a really loud environment, and this guy here, his microphone is just gonna go great with this. It's Bluetooth, and he even has a dongle that with this dongle, once you use it, you're not gonna lose the connection and the hassle problem that could happen with wireless connections from the microphone to the computer. So using it for different circumstances, using it for different environments, and it's just gonna sound great. It's just gonna sound perfect whenever you're in your Zoom calls. And these actually are optimized for Zoom calls. So every single time I join a Zoom lesson, it will beep next to my ear saying like I'm on. It has a turn on and off, mute, and different controls where you can actually activate that active noise cancellation and on. So I just like this so much. It has a 18 something power hours that are gonna work great, and it just gives you to the day of working without any problem. So if you're looking for some great headsets that are gonna do the job for you, this Jabra Evolve 75 are just great. So this was John with WTI. That's my point of view.